Okay guys, here goes attempt number 2 on the header. The CRV tri-header did not work on this chassis with the subframe. So I went ahead and ordered the OBX TSX header. It's a 4-to-1, I think. On the all-wheel drive Facebook pages, someone did let me know that the stock TSX header did work with the transfer case. So I'm hoping that this one does work. I don't know. Let's hope it works. That would make life much easier, because if this does not fit, then I'm back to the drawing board. But let's go ahead and get this guy open. The company that I ordered the first header from was super cool. I shipped them back the other one, and all I'm waiting on is a refund when they get the header. I don't want to destroy this box, just in case I have to send this header back to them. So, I might have to destroy it just a little bit. I think this way. Again, nicely packaged. And today is April 2nd, so just so you guys know, by the time I upload this, it'll probably be a little bit later. Again, it comes with the flanges, the gaskets. I'm not going to use the gasket. I have the metal gasket as mentioned in the other video. And comes with their sticker. Oh, somewhere in there. There's a sticker. There it is. Alright, let's show you the good stuff. There it is. TSX 4-to-1 header. Now, I don't see the bolts, so it looks like I might have to go get some bolts. But there it is. I'm hoping this fits, guys. I really do hope this fits. It'll pretty much be like this. And to be quite honest, first looks of this, I don't think it might fit. But you guys will see in the next video. Remember, this is for my K24a2 Acura Integra. It's a 2000. I'm having header issues because I'm putting an all-wheel drive transmission in it. So the transfer case sticks out. But I don't know, guys. Like, subscribe, share the video, and on the next video you guys will see if this fits or if this is just going to be a fail. And I'm hoping it's not, because if it's a fail, then I don't know what the heck I'm going to do. I don't want to do a custom header. So that'll be it, guys. Thank you. Like, subscribe, share, and off to the next video.